Welcome children to English classes, and today I am here with class 10th video from the chapter 2 stories about flying, and this chapter is all about first story is all about a bird who is better known as seagull, who is struggling to fly. So the theme of the chapter is face your difficulty and overcome it. Children, whenever you face a difficulty, if you face it, you will 100% going to overcome it. So let's start the chapter. This video is just an overview of the first story. So let's start. It's a story about a seagull who is afraid to fly. That I have already told you that there is a bird which is better known as seagull, and he is basically struggling to fly. His brother and sister, even after small wings, can fly. Now seagull has a brother and sister. They are also small, they have small wings, but even then they can fly because they have learned the art of flying. But seagull has not still learned the art of flying. He tried many times but can't fly, which made him feel hungry. Now, an incident happened where the family of the seagull is enjoying their flight, their food near the sea, and as you may know, seagull are seabirds also. So seagull was basically sitting over an elevated stone, and she was looking at her family enjoying and catching fish for flesh to eat, and he was not able to enjoy with the family because he cannot fly. In order to encourage him, his brother, sister, his mother, father has encouraged seagull to fly and come to that spot where they were enjoying. But due to fear, seagull was unable to fly. She tried many times, and since trying to fly need a lot of energy, so soon she was lack of energy and feeling hungry. His mother motivated him many times to fly, but he was afraid. Now mother is always a mother. Mother is always a mother. So she, encouraged many times to seagull to fly, but he was unable to fly because of fear. Seagull sitting on the elevated stone remained helpless and hungry. So as I told you earlier that she was sitting and she was feeling hungry because the other people in the family were enjoying the flesh of the fish. They quickly catch the fish from their beak and they tear it and they eat it. Then only his mother took a fish flesh and flew across him. In order to encourage more, in order to attempt the seagull, make him to fly, the mother attempted her last attempt, and she quickly took a flesh of fish in her beak and she flew across the fish. Now by this time seagull grew too hungry. Now seagull was watching that the mother is holding a piece of flesh in her beak. So looking at it, she felt too much hungry. Like sometimes it happens with you also that you are feeling too hungry and the mother is carrying a platter in front of you, with full of stuff and food. So how quickly you grab it in the same way. Across him. By this time seagull grew hungry and looked at the flesh, and then he quickly jumped onto the flesh. Who jumped? The seagull jumped. He quickly started descending the air. So as I have already told you that seagull was sitting on an elevated stone. So what happened when she jumped to catch a fish flesh from the beak of her mother? So what happened that he started falling down. She started descending, like I have written here, descending in the air, and she was falling down like this, and suddenly he has opened his wings, and then she started flying in the air. And he balanced himself and learned how to fly. He was elated with joy and now happy with his family. So as seagull was falling down, So he opened his wings and he started, flying in the sky and learned how to fly. And after this experience, she was very happy. He was elated with joy. And then the main theme, according to me, is children face difficulty and earn happiness. I hope you have liked the video. I will bring the second story also in the next video. Thank you very much. Till then, keep studying.